This tutorial is about pipe sizing for vented dry steam condensate return. This is Mosabet. I'm a professional mechanical engineer with over 30 years of experience in HVAC and utility systems. According to ASHRAE Fundamentals Handbook, Chapter 22, there are 3 types of condensate return. The dry closed type, the vented or open wet type, and the vented or open dry type. The dry closed type is the most common, mostly used in industrial steam plants. I have a tutorial for pipe sizing for this type on YouTube. The vented wet type is not efficient due to the loss of flash steam and is less common. I discussed the pipe sizing for this type in another YouTube tutorial. Today's discussion is about pipe sizing for the vented dry condensate return. This type, like vented wet type, is less common due to its energy inefficiency for venting the flash steam outside. In a vented dry condensate return, the liquid enters the pipe that is vented and is at close to atmospheric pressure. As the condensate enters the pipe, its pressure is reduced, causing some condensate liquid to flash to vapor, forming flash steam. The flash steam is vented outside. The liquid condensate at around boiling temperature flows at the bottom of the pipe toward the condensate collection tank. Vapor and air fill the pipe above the condensate. What drives the condensate in this piping setup is the pipe slope. Sizing the pipe for a vented dry condensate return is super easy. We can use either Table 35 in Chapter 22 of the 2017 ASHRAE Fundamentals Handbook or an online calculator. For using the table, with the pipe slope and the liquid condensate flow rate known, the pipe size is determined in column 1 of the table. For example, for pipe slope of 1/8 inch per foot and liquid condensate flow rate of 23,000 pounds per hour, a 6-inch pipe is needed. Using the online calculator is easier and more flexible. Let's go to Google and search for a website called papicalculators.com. I put together this website and it is available for free. I will leave the link in the description. Clicking on the link, the website opens. There are many different engineering calculators on this website. The calculator we are going to use is pipe sizing for vented dry condensate return. Clicking on the link, the page pops up. The calculator is good and accurate for carbon steel pipe and for saturated steam. It can be used in 2 different units, IP or inch-pound units and SI or metric units. Please note that the calculator does not adjust the input numbers when the unit changes from one to the other, using the drop-down for selecting IP or SI. Separate inputs are needed for each unit group. To calculate the pipe size for a vented dry condensate return, 3 inputs are needed. The condensate flow rate in pounds per hour. Supply steam pressure in psig. And the pipe slope in inches per foot. Note that the online calculator also calculates the flash steam flow rate that is being vented outside. Knowing the flash steam flow rate helps in sizing the vent pipe. As an example, for liquid condensate flow rate of 6,000 pounds per hour, steam supply at 100 psig and a condensate line slope of 1/8 inch per foot, the calculated data are 4-inch pipe and flash steam flow rate of 879 pounds per hour. To size the vent pipe for flash steam, let's go back to the home page and select the pipe sizing for saturated steam. Using steam pressure of 1 psig for flash steam, flow rate of 879 pounds per hour and steam velocity of 5,000 feet per minute, the calculated pipe size is 4 inches. The calculated pressure drop is 0.12 psi per 100 feet of pipe. This calculator is very flexible and can be used to analyze the outcome of different situations by easily using different inputs in its drop-downs menu. Let me know please by leaving comments if you have questions and/or comments for the online calculators and/or I can help you with this type of engineering design and calculations. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.